welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a feeling log in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're going to create a feeling log in Notion, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Notion. Once you tap open your Notion, all you gotta do is simply get logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to create a new database. You need to type in a new database or simply go to a new file or a new page. Or you can also find a pre-built template of feeling log. Once you simply go and tap on feeling log, you can also type in like different kind of properties like name, date, and your feeling. You can simply choose templates all among it, and you can add it according to your wish, or you can also start from scratch. After you have done this, you can start noting or like journaling over there. You can know and tell about the energy level, and then you can log in your feelings in your Notion account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.